How to create the member area in Wix Studio. To do that, head over right here to your Wix Studio dashboard and click on the search bar. Now on the search bar, head over and search in here for member. Now you can see in here this site members, and you can also see in here this app which is Mix Member Area. Head over and click on that, and then what you can do is if you haven't installed it yet, you can head over and then install it. So click onto this add the site option, and then it will open here a new tab. Click onto this go to editor option in order to open in and integrate it into your Wix editor. Now, as you can see, this will load your Wix Studio. So just wait for this right here in order to actually fully function it as usual. So as you can see, the Wix members area has been being added. So you can just head over and then wait for this to be added into your website. Now, once it's been added, you can head back in here again to your dashboard. And then you can search in here for member again. And you can see here this member permission as well as site members option. So that's how you create the member area in Wix Studio. Hope we helped.